So we have some breaking news. It's all going down. It's happening very soon. This is a unique, groundbreaking live event, the likes of which you probably have never seen before. And there are just 2 places left if you want to join us for the Health Activation Day. There's a lot that you have access to. We're going to be working in the scalar energy field. We've got the quantum wave lasers, harmonic frequency healing, the fascia release, vagus nerve activation, the WristX. We'll say a bit more about that in a moment. We've got the Huna, quantum frequencies, hydrogen water, dowsing, and that's the healing activation day. And what does all of that get for you? Now, first of all, check out the URL bit.ly/healing-activation-day. Cell regeneration, fascia release, ATP activation, stress release, hydration, detoxification, blood cleansing, vagus nerve stimulation, and best of all, super quick. You can do most of these in 3 to 4 minutes.
Health Activation Day Workshop Modality Number 4, WristX.
And the WristX, a lot of people are focusing on blood at the moment. So if you're looking to cleanse your blood, start that process. The WristX is for you, and it is what it sounds like. That's like a big digital watch that sits on your wrist.
Congratulations, you've purchased one of the world's most advanced therapies.
And best of all, you don't need to purchase it, because I'm going to have all of this and so much more available at the Health Activation Day. This is just a sneak peek of some of the things that you're gonna have access to.
Wow. This is amazing. What follows is feedback.
And the results are absolutely wow. Based on the quantum entanglement remote experiment, if you haven't yet checked that out, bit.ly/remote-quantum-results. It wasn't just good, it wasn't just great, it was wow and then some. Absolutely out of this world. The results blew my mind, blew the mind of those taking part. So check it out, have a read of the blog, and this is your last chance to join us for the Health Activation Day. So yeah, it's going to be absolutely amazing, and it's hands-on experiential. Sign up now. Get one of those last places, bit.ly/healing-activation day. My name is Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach. My main website is transformationstm.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. If you're on the socials, hit the like. And of course, if you know someone who could benefit from joining us, then please feel free to share the link, share this video. That would be amazing. So, to your good health, to our good health, I look forward to working with you. Remember, time is running out, not much longer if you want to join us before this wonderful, unique opportunity comes to a close and comes to an end. Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach, over and out.